today's the 1st. Put little angel up. You handsome boy. Very controversial. I am a milk first, always person. And then I'll have a little bit of this, and a little bit of that, and a little bit of this. But milk first, always. I'm gonna take my cereal. Oh wait, can you see him? Cutie pie. Gonna eat it on our new little thing while I watch him. How adorable. Reality. I'm so out of breath. He was digging a big hole and he wasn't listening to come in, so I got a tug toy and I tug him all the way from the other side of the house into here, and I almost fell several times. I just love being 6 months pregnant and not being able to do anything. So fun. But happy Vlogmas Day 2! And now he's just eating again. Let's do our advent calendar. My mom got me this. It's Woodland Paper Play Advent Calendar. Just open her up. So it comes with these little trees. And then these are the things with the numbers. Okay, I just unwrapped them all. Now let's find number 1. There it is. Take that out. Now let's set up a tree. Aww. Number 1 is this cute bear. How adorable. I'm gonna find a better spot though for this. I think put it on the TV console so that's all cutesy, you know? You can probably hear Rex drinking in the background. Oh, wait a sec. But now I am going to edit. Hi, mister. Hi, you happy tail? Now I'm going to edit Vlogmas Day 1 from yesterday. I already edited most of it, but I just need to do some finishing touches. Oh, you just started it? I'm going to add some music and edit it down a little bit more so it can go up in a few hours, huh? Yeah. You're such a good boy. Even though you were just being naughty, but I love you. Just uploaded it. Well, it's on private, but you know. So now I'm gonna put the thumbnail in, and then I'm gonna put tags and a description and finish off the title. So yeah, Vlogmas Day 1 just went up on YouTube. My eyes, and I was just sitting here after it was posted, and I was thinking about how much my eyes are burning. They've been burning for months because I'm just not sleeping at all, and it hurts so bad, like for hours, like until like 3 p.m. they just burn, and then start getting tired and all. Can't sleep though. Can just never sleep. I always had a hard time sleeping, but for real, pregnancy insomnia it's just so real because I'm just so exhausted. And everyone's like, well, get as much sleep as you can before the baby's here, but I just literally, it's not possible. I only sleep, I go up to bed at like 10 p.m. and then I toss and turn the whole entire night, not sleeping, like sleeping like maybe 10 minutes here and there, and then I only get sleep at around like 7 6:30, that's when I'm asleep, like actually finally fall asleep for like 1 to 2 hours. It's just great. By the way, I'm pretty sure I'm not doing makeup today, so this is what you'll be seeing. Which is funny because I hate going out with no makeup. I'll walk Rex, but like besides that, I don't like go to the store or anything without makeup usually, like 99% of the time. But on here it doesn't matter because, you know, I don't know, it just doesn't matter. It's time for reading hour, so I'm gonna lay back and read some more. 2 pregnancy cravings I've been having: strawberries with whipped cream and apple juice. This is perfect because Rex loves whipped cream and I've been giving him some every single time I have strawberries with whipped cream. The only thing that stinks is that I have been having basically 1 whole container of strawberries every single day for weeks, and this past week there has been no strawberries at all. So it has sucked, but we went to the store last night, like I told you, in Vlogmas Day 1, and there was 2 things of strawberries left. One, I would have gotten both, but one looks like it was already moldy, so I grabbed the other pack. So I will probably be done with this today or tomorrow. This is half of the pack, so yeah. Just having my strawberries with cream. Happy tail. I love you. But you don't eat from the table. No. Handsome boy. He'll just have his chin on my leg until I'm done. Sit. Good boy. You can have the lickings. All done. All done. Was that yummy? You're such a sweet boy. You're such a sweet boy. I don't feel completely, you know, up for it, but I think I'm gonna ask the mister to go for a because I think he needs one. Do you want to go for a walk? No, I guess you don't want to go. You don't want to go? You want to go for a walk? Toys everywhere. I'm gonna fix that later. Do you want to go for a walk, handsome? Let's do this thing, buddy. I know I'm getting you water, buddy. My goodness. It was cold out there, huh? It was freezing out there. He always needs to go outside to do that. He always has zoomies after our walks, so let's go outside. Hi, handsome. He's like, do it again. Jesus. I think I'm gonna throw some of he's just sitting like that. I think I'm gonna throw some of his toys now into there. I wish you could see more of the color in real life. It's a blue, but it only looks gray on camera, I feel. Toys in there. Gotta go collect them from around the house. The crib just came. I got the Baby Leto Hudson 3-in-1 convertible crib. I got $100 off for Black Friday, and it said it wasn't going to come here until late January, but it came today on December 1st. So we're probably going to build it today. Very exciting. We also burnt some rice. So I have some water and vinegar in there, you know, getting the bottom part all done. I'm out of breath. I'm carrying up the stuff. You handsome boy. Well, like, we're not gonna need, like, this piece, though.
I don't think so.
That's when we convert it to a bed.
Why, you showed her?
Yeah, I put it up on my story and she responded. He's so cute. Is this your new bed, Rex? Is this your bed? They get my toy away from it.
Should we watch Criminal Minds while we do this?
We can. You're such a handsome boy. It's all set up. Rex forgot his dolly. Perfecto. Winnie the Pooh's head is backwards right now. But all good things. Making some cookies. Ignore how dirty that is. There was sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna clean this tomorrow morning, don't worry. It looks disgusting. But Tyler's been begging me for these, so on cookie duty.